The AGVs deliver critical components for the MiG-29 Loom. Every shipment is
These bundles are routed for Process A. Check the manifest for batch 7492.
Confirmed. High temperature allocation.
Manifest matches the tablet. We're clear for staging.
The system automatically sorts the high-purity aerospace copper wire. Thicker bundles for the engine sensors.
High-purity aerospace-grade copper wire is dipped into molten solder by a robotic arm. The solder solidifies instantly.
Secure the yellow bundle at marker 12.
Confirmed. Moving to the blue schematic now.
Check the routing on the Process A sheathing here.
Got it. Making sure the diameter on process B is within tolerance.
Check the clearance on section gamma.
Looks good. Point B aligns perfectly with the interface.
Final validation sequence initiating.
Cart is secure and aligned.
We now transition to process B, the specialized assembly line for the cockpit harnesses. Here, the focus shifts to precision and lighter materials.
Check the orientation on P2.
Confirmed, alignment is perfect.
Check the routing near the auxiliary power unit.
It's clear. All connections green.
That should do it. All fasteners secured.
Confirmed. The harness is fully protected.
Hold the line, hold the line. Clear left. Okay, proceed to the apron. Ground control, this is MiG-29, radio check. How copy?
The fighter jet moves smoothly, its systems operational thanks to the reliable data flow ensured by the MiG-29 cockpit interface.
The MiG-29 accelerates, demonstrating the seamless integration of the cockpit interface harness, translating the pilot's commands directly to the flight control surfaces. This smooth, immediate response underscores the quality of the cockpit interface harness, essential for maintaining tight formation and mission success.
Harness interface nominal. Comms check 1, 2. We are proceeding with the descent. Landing gear down 3 green. Airspeed stable. Viper 1, you are clear to the line. Welcome home. Solid copy. Ground. Mission successful. Shutting down.
Diagnostics initiated. Secondary harness reports green across the board. Data transfer complete.
The harness routing is critical along this bulkhead. And when securing the connectors, you must hear that positive click to ensure the lock is engaged.
How are the data ports looking, Mark?
We have stable connection on all ports. Harness feedback is nominal.
Good. Proceed with the engine parameter tests.
In low visibility, the pilot relies entirely on the illuminated displays, powered solely by the reliable cockpit interface harness.
The swift electronic response confirms the low latency and high signal integrity achieved.
The continuous cycle of production ensures the steady delivery of the MiG-29 cockpit interface harness.